Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video and a view into Huck's World. And today we got a couple of freebies for you, so stay tuned. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. And today, yes, we said we had a couple of free watch faces for you to check out. And these are it. Now, the name of this watch face is called Pure Lux Light Blick Winkle. Yes. And this is the light version. So they have a paid version. If you want to check that out, go ahead and check that out. Now, in always on mode, you're going to get a traditional look. When the watch face is on, you're just going to get an awesome design. I kind of like it. It's gold and black. It's going to tie into black and or gold. But this is it. Doesn't do anything fancy. No steps, no digital time or anything like that. What you see is what you get, but it is free. So check it out in the Gear Managers. Number two is by my man D Wills. This one here is one of his freebies. The name of the watch face is called Gear S3 Watch Face Black Dew or Black DW or just short for D Wills. It's a 24-hour watch face and always on mode. He gives you pretty much what's most important: battery info, digital time, and your date. Now when the watch face is cut on, everything is inactive. This has a nice look. Everything is big and legible. You get your heart rate info at the top. Get your step info. You also get your digital time in 24 hours along with your date, miles walked or ran. If you climbed any floors, it's going to have the info there. And you get your shortcuts. So if you need to go in to your favorites, make a phone call, send a text message, you can. Your steps is inactive too. You can go and get your calories burned. I tap here. I can go into my settings. Of course, I can bring up my calendar right here. Same thing with your heart rate. This is nice. I like this as a freebie. This is definitely not bad. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the freebies for the day. And if you did, make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.